we see the natural landscapes 10,000 BC. As we're walking through the forest, we can see various wildlife, dangerous things, and things that want to kill me. So today, we shall be adventuring into the world of Far Cry Primal. Poke it! Poke it! Poke it! What'd you say about my mother? What'd you... Hey! No, you don't... Eh. Well, mate, let's continue our adventure. But alas, you shall not be my companion. It must be... Badger! Where is he at, though? Wait, what's this? Pig! Poke it! Stab it! Kill it! Badger, kill it! Wait, where are you? Little badger bro. Hello. Oh, it's so cute, aren't ya? So cute. Hello, Mr. Deer. Hello, Miss. Wait, no, that's a bolt. Never mind. Jeez, I can see everything from here. Pig! Ah, yes, enemies. Oh. Here are the wild douchebags of this land. They're not very smart, so if you take them out stealthy, see, if you take them out stealthy, they shall never. Aww. What? Did you have to let it rip? Couldn't you have waited till it? Hey, no, bad. Hello. Okay, whatever. Let's go. So today, lads, we are on the hunt for the infamous rare black lion. Come back. Come back! Damn it! Eat, meat, eat. Good boy. Now, let's go. Hello? It's okay, lion. Okay, lion. Poke it. Stab it. Kill it. Poke it. Yeah, that's what I thought. I have wolves. Ah, that'd be you. Stab it. Get out of my way. Just bro, you better to mess with me. Yeah, that's what you get. Ah, I'm on fire. Yeah, that's what I thought. I shot him in the leg. No. Haha. You better run, wolves. Wait. Badger bro, go get that guy. I'm gonna fight off these wolves. Stab it, poke it, kill it. Are you on? Badger don't care. Honey Badger don't care at all. He's on fire. He's like, yeah, what up? I'm on fire. Come get me. Stab it. Poke it. Yeah. I hear a bear. Bear? There's tapirs. And there's a Wenja running. Cave lion. Not the one I need. It's not rare. So I'll poke it. No, you killed my dude. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Hi. Hello. Can I poke you? Why aren't you running away? Well, you are now, because you're on fire. Is it rare, though? I think it's right here. Yep. It's not rare, though. Burn! Yeah, you better run. Just a flaming cat running through the forest. That's amazing. Hello? Hello, Mito. Rare lion? No, rare lion. Hello? It's another one. It's not regular. Ow. Poke it. Stab it. Eh. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Eh. Oh no. Ah, wolves. Get out of here, wolves. You're meant to be afraid of fire. Burn! I think I got it. Is that a... Oh, ow. I thought they were fighting for a second. Come back here. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Yeah, you better burn. Run! Run like your parents did when you were born. Eh. 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 Why is killing Tamed so fun? Cave lion. Eh. 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 Hey, you dead. Hello? Who is screaming in the distance? Stop that. Yeah, wolves. Come at me. Fight me. Fight me like a real wolf. Fight me. Is that a... I swear I keep hearing bears. Or is it just me? Ooh, cave lion. Is it right there? No. It's stalking the goat. The cave lion is stalking his prey. Watches this wonderful beauty of nature. And he's attacking! Follow it, chase it, then kill it. Ooh, eagle. Hi there. Where'd it go? Hello. Oh, there it is. Poke it. Stab it. Kill it. Ha, now you're burning. Hey, you get back here. Oh, he's coming back. Come back for it. Grin. Oh, mistake on your part. Okay, I guess you're eating then. Goats. Goats, you're okay for now. Only for now, though. It's the last thing I need to tame out of everything. It's the very last thing, and I am Beastmaster. I've got all the tapirs. I've got all the beasts finished. All the ooh, white wolf. You took the tapirs. This is what you get. Yeah, you're. Oh, I said the forest on fire. I'm sorry. Hello? Hello? Who's making that sound? Hello? Okay then. It's not a rare one. Dang it, I cannot find any rare ones. Wait, are they fighting? No, let's get the other one. What are you doing? Stop it. Stab it. Come back here. Come at me. Come at me. That's what I thought. Badger? There you are. I cannot find any to the left of me. Oh my god, it's another badger! No, I can't kill it. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm sorry, I can't do it. I can't do it. Hi, wolves. Bye, wolves. I shan't kill a badger. No, I cannot do it. Why do I hear fire? Like a lot of fire. Why do I hear a lot of... Oh! Wasn't me? I don't have a fiery club. What are you talking about? It wasn't me. I swear. It was that guy. It was him. Blame him. Run! Ooh, I hear another line. Yes! Finally! 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 No! Come on. No! Come on! Get into it! God damn it! No! No! Get out of here! Where's the other one? Where's the other one gone? Where's it gone? Hey, follow his trail. Stand down here, around here. I swear if that... Tried it. Girly meat. I swear to God, badger. This might be... I think... Yes! I did it! I've finished. I've got all the beasts. I've got all the beasts in the game. Finally. I shall name you Bobby. Go away. I shall name you Bobby. Good boy. Good boy. Well, I think this is going to end up this episode. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and goodbye.